Why would I help you?
You got a crush on me?
Try again.
He wears his heart safety pin to his backpack. His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath half to death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. Middays, illusions are pushing this out of his head, maybe out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a worm. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird. He knows if he can't believe it, it grows. And so it goes. He crawls like a worm. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. His mind, the way it pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word from a bird. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word. Crawls like a word from a bird.
You're a great guy. I really like you. A lot. I wish I had a guy as great as you.
Casey McDonald, I didn't know you cared.
You don't understand what I
No,
mean.
no, I understand perfectly.